How to pay bills using Regions Bank Online Bill Pay. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can pay bills using Regions Bank Online Bill Pay. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside, you can just click on the search bar and simply search Regions Bank. And now here on the search result, just click on the first link and after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of the Regions Bank. Now here simply log in using your credentials and once logged in on the main dashboard, you simply have to click Bill Pay in the top menu. And after that, you can add a payee by entering the company name, account number, and billing address. And once your payee is set up, you simply have to enter the amount you want to pay and select the payment date. And with that, you just have to review the payment details and then click submit to schedule or send the payment. And with that, you'll receive a confirmation and you can track upcoming and past payments in bill pay. And that's it. That's how you can pay bills using Regions Bank Online Bill Pay. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.